Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn English poem from 8th standard 1.1. Be the best. Be the best is a very good poem. It is a very inspirational poem for the students. As some students think that we are not bright students, some are thinking that they are bright students. So there is discrimination between the students regarding the best or regarding the marks those students get in the exams. But in by this poem, the poet shows that whatever the work, it is not lesser or greater. Whatever we are doing is the best. We must do that thing best. As in profession, we can take the example of profession. You know that in company, boss is very important person, but he can't run that company in a single way, or he only one person can't run that factory or that company. And so the worker in that office or that company or the peon in that office or company is also important like the boss, same as the boss. Such kind of many examples are given by the poet in this poem, and he tries to tell us that no one is greater or no one is lesser. Means each and every work, whatever done by each and every creature or person is very important. And so it is very inspirational poem. But before going to see that poem or learn that poem, it is very necessary to know about the warming up, and in this warming up we are going to turn towards the chit chat activity. As you have accompanied in the last standard some kind of such kind questions and such kind of personal questions, you get idea about the personal questions answer for your exam. So we must think properly about this chit chat activity. At first, we must know about the two types of questions. As there are two types of questions. First, WH type question, and second, verbal question or yes no type question. When you ask question by any auxiliary verb, then the answer will be only yes or no. But when you ask the question by WH words, then there may be a proper word, proper sentence or proper paragraph as an answer of that question. So whatever the question is asked, we should go for the answer. We should give the answer according to that question. First question, see, have you got a prize in any competition? The simple, because this is a verbal question, yes or no question. Just you have to give the answer that whether yes or no. If you yes, then you have to tell I have got a prize. Yes, I have got a prize in competition. And if you know or don't, then you also tell that no, I don't have any prize in competition, or I don't get any prize in any competition. And simply you can give the answer in yes or no. Have you got a prize in any competition? Only yes. And no, then no, I don't. You see, the second question, how did you feel at that time? How did you feel at that time? See the question type. This is a W type question. And this W type question is perfect answer in word, sentence or maybe paragraph. How did you feel at that time? when you win the competition and or when you lose the competition. At the both stages, how did you feel? What would have been your reaction at that time? Suppose you have got a prize. What would you feel? Or what would be your reaction at that time? Of course, winning prize it is a good thing, means it is a satisfactory thing. That's why the opinion or the feeling also happy. So we can give the answer of this question. I felt, because the question is in past tense, simple past tense. So instead of did, we change the main verb for the simple past tense. And instead of you, when we give the answer, we change you into I or we. So here, I felt, how felt? I felt very excited, very happy, very well at that time when I got a prize in the whatever the competition, cricket, volleyball, or quiz competition, whatever. And if the answer is no, then how you would react? See, no, I didn't get any prize. And how did you feel then? I felt very sad. Of course, the thing is very bad, so it is the reaction very sad. I felt very sad when I didn't get any prize in the competition. Third question. Have you ever failed in your efforts? Efforts. If you have taken efforts, means you tried. And have you ever failed while trying? If you tried, then also you failed. Such kind of occasions or such kind of things happen in our life. Sometimes we take efforts for the thing, but sometimes we fail in that. So such kind of incident, have you ever in your life? So question is, have you ever failed in your efforts? Of course, answer will be yes or no. If yes, then you can say, yes, I failed in my efforts sometimes. And if you know, no, I don't. I never failed in my efforts. Such kind of answer will be there. Fourth question. Do you think we should accept success as well as failure? What would you think? What is your opinion? It is personal response question. Do you think we should accept success as well as failure? As we accept the success very easily, but it is very hard to accept a failure. So the question is here. Do you think we should accept success as well as failure? Answer would be yes or no. Yes, of course. I think we should accept the success as well as failure. And if you don't, then say don't. I don't think. No, I don't think we should accept success as well as failure. In both kind of answers should be there, or we can grant both kind of answers. Then fifth question, what will be your reaction if you are not selected in a team? You know, in the school there is a team selection. While there are sports in the school or inter-school or international level, at that time there is a selection of team. And suppose you are not selected in your school team, what will be your reaction? What will be your reaction? Reaction means what will you think? What is your response about that? For that, of course, if you are not selected in a team, you will feel very bad. And also, if you are positive by thinking, your thoughts are positive, then you will think that whatever this year, if I didn't get a chance, I will be selected for the next year in this team. So such kind of positivity will be there. Positivity will be there in your answer. And so the answer would be like that. You will feel very bad or you will disheartened. But another response will be there. What will be your reaction? If I am not selected in a team, I will be very positive. I will think that not this year but for the next year I will definitely selected. I will be definitely selected in the team. Such kind of positive answer will be there. Now these are the 5 chit chat questions for warming up you. Then next question is here, read aloud the following sets of words. Which are the sets? See here, river, stream, sea, ocean. Then second, hill, stone, mountain, rock. Third, plant, sapling, tree, seed. Fourth, child, adult, baby, youth. And now, by this question 8, there is another question that rearrange each of the above sets of words according to the increasing order of their size and growth. According to the size or growth, you should have to rearrange the words. You can see here, for example, first one. What are these words? River, stream, sea, and ocean. See, which is the smaller one among these 4? I think stream is here, first one. After stream, what would be there? River, second number. Then sea, and last ocean. So first, according to the size, first stream, second river, third sea, and fourth ocean. Now in the second, see, hill, stone, mountain, and rock. I think stone will be the first according to the size, second rock, third hill, and fourth mountain. See the third one, plant, sapling, tree, seed. Think about this set, which is the smaller one and which is the bigger one. First, seed. Second, sapling. Third, plant. And fourth, tree. Like that here also. You can think about this. What are these words? Child, adult, baby, and youth. First, baby, then child, then you, and lastly last adult. Like those words are there, you have to rearrange here. some lines are given here 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the sixth, then the next in the next question, in your pre-primary classes, you must have learned the story of the lion and the mouse. Read it in the English and fill in the gaps using words given in the box. The story is given there and you have to complete it. Read the story by heart and some words or hint are given below that story in the yellow colored box, and then you have to write moral of that story. So let's stop here. Just we have completed warming up or chit chat activity of Be the Best. We will think about the poem and its meaning and other questions in the second period. Thank you.